Yo, what's good everyone? Welcome back to a new video. Today in this video we will be rebuilding the Milwaukee Bucks. Let's go. Think we just start? We'll just start. What's the CPU? Let's go. Win, 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 win. Oh, win, win, lost. Okay. This is a holy cow. We are. Oh my god. Milwaukee, are you gonna give me my first thing? Come on, Milwaukee. Come on, Milwaukee. Come on, Milwaukee. We are 27 and 1, 28 and 1. Like we are 32 and 1. Are we gonna go 80 and 2 or 82, 81 and 1? Doesn't matter at the moment. I think we'll win this year. We're gonna win this year, hopefully. Fingers crossed. And we think we're gonna back. We're trying to go back to back. Oh, it's a loss. I didn't even rig this system. It's crazy. Holy cow! We went the 90. We went 79 and 3. LaMelo Ball MVP. Let's go. We're obviously the one seed. I think we can win this season. We sweep. Will this be the first one? We sweep again. We sweep again. No. I don't want to play. I don't want to play. We're still in a game. And we win this season. Let's just go. I feel like we can win again, so let's just go. I can't believe we won. So we are officially 1 and 2, and that's crazy. Oh, sorry about that. So okay, let's just keep going. And if you can you subscribe? Blah, blah. Can you go to my thing and just Giannis is off. 100. We are dropping bombs. And be family friendly. Sorry if there's a bad thing that TikTok that goes on, brother. Be family friendly. Be family friendly, everyone. We are. Oh, so when I show my thing, I will be showing. Oh wait, I can't. But when we go for a tour, I will be showing you everything. Yeah. Yeah, make sure you subscribe. Subscribe. Make sure you follow me on TikTok because I'll follow you back. Just comment in my videos what your TikTok account name is, and I'll follow you back. Try to follow you back. My TikTok name is Riley Ford, just like my YouTube. Riley Ford 0. Giannis MVP again, and I swear, guys, I'm not cheating. Let's see if we can win back to back. I feel like we can. And we're gonna win. We're gonna win. We win back to back. Wow, let's go. This is really the first time in a long time. What can I say? Look at them. Let's go. So I will see you guys tomorrow or maybe later. But anyway, thanks for watching. I went back to back. Um should I go for 3 for 3? I'll just wait for it. But we will be going for 3 for 3. So let's just attempt that. I am working on some thumbnails at the moment. So yeah. And we will be selling our players. Do I go for it? Mm, nah. Okay, well, I'm not gonna redo another one. But thanks for watching. And I'll see you maybe in a bit or tomorrow or on the vacation. Bye.